real big on windy. It makes everything cold. Gooch's Gap. Uh-oh. Norovirus has been there, which is why we will not be going there. We will just be going through. Just hiking through. We do not want any sickness. No, sir. Alright, we gotta look for the white blazes. I'm gonna have to close, open my app. Find out where we go. Oh, there it is, I see it. Right there. And that's Gooch's Gap. Get back on the AT. Yeah, baby. Boy, my thermometer's going up and down. First it was 46, then it was 50, then it was 57, now it's 62, and I believe it was even like a 69 earlier. So I don't think it knows what it's doing. But this wind is cold. I really can't put anything else on because I'll sweat, then I'll freeze to death. So I just got my pants and base layer shirt on and my hat. And if I get hot and start to sweat, I take my hat off, then I'll get cold. Then I put my hat back on. Such is my life. And I'm thankful just to be able to do it. Because I'm thankful to be out here. Definitely like to give a big shout out to my support team, which is basically, my wife is my number one, and my whole family is basically support me through encouraging words, especially when I think I can't make it. And they just tell me I can. I've already walked 10,000 steps, and I've only been hiking for 2 hours. So, we're going to Such's, and then if there's not any campsites around or any above the Clouds Hostel, there's water. I got water. I think I got plenty of water. So if they don't have any beds available, then I'll be going, maybe checking to the next one. I don't know, we'll see. My wife's got my itinerary and I really hate to change it. Oh, Jesus, this is all uphill. Help me. I need your strength today and every day, Lord. What's this? What do you got? 3.6. I know there's water there. Oh, I know you guys can hear that wind. It's kicking. Oh man, still going uphill. There's little shiny rocks all over the place. Whew. Goodness. If the wind would stop, it'd be great. Okay. Yep, I still gotta go uphill.